गुलशन कुमार जी उन्होंने मुझे ये मौका दिया
जी।
उन्होंने बोला कि हरी जी आपको ये गाना है एंड रिकॉर्ड किए हमने जैसे भजन्स करते
हाँ
हैं
जी।
और फिर वो धीरे 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 उसका जो एक जब जैसे कि जप करते हैं तो उसका एक महिमा होता है ना उसी तरह से ये हनुमान चालीसा जो है इट इज़ 5.5 बिलियन और अभी बढ़ता जा रहा है वो
जी।
तो यही कहूँगा कि हनुमान की लीला अपरंपार ये जो विश्व रूप इट हैज टेकन अ विश्व रूप ना इट एक्चुअली हम्बल्स मी पूछते हैं आपको कैसा लगता है मैं बोला मैं कुछ नहीं किया इट हैज गॉन नो इट हैज काइंड ऑफ become viral I would say yeah
So you also want to meet Messi like most of us?
yeah of course why not of course he's a musician when he plays वो सारा जगह ही लेता है वो
जी. So one song for Messi, you know that you would like to dedicate. We'll put it out across Z for all the Messi fans and of course Messi.
हैरतें आशिक की जगह मत गोल बाहों के दरमियां.
Hari sir, thank you so much for joining us on
My
Z
pleasure,
Media.
my pleasure.
दिल्ली आप आए हैं
जी.
और ये बहुत ही खास मौका है क्योंकि आप एक बहुत ही खास मकसद के लिए दिल्ली आए हैं. वो what exactly it is you will have to tell all your fans here who've been waiting
देखिए
for that big thing.
हर शाम जो है
जी.
अक्सर
जी.
शाम में एक जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है वो काम करता हूँ
जी.
वो गाना है वो है गाना गाना तो आज यहाँ पे एक शो है
जी.
ताज पैलेस में और यहाँ के दिल्ली के सारे जो संगीत प्रेमी हैं वो आ रहे हैं एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द
जी. और दिल्ली है दिल वालों की लेकिन यहाँ पे पंजाबी की जो मतलब भाषा है वो अभी जैसे इंटरव्यू शुरू होने से पहले हमने थोड़ा आपका पंजाबीपन
हाँ जी
देख लिया था.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल मैं
जी.
गाया नहीं हूँ मैं मगर एक एल्बम में लाहौर के रंग हरी के संग तो उसमें एक खरी बोली का मैंने एक गाया था.
जी. राइट सर जब हम आपके म्यूजिक के बारे में बात करते हैं इट्स लाइक आई मीन you know there's so much to learn, you know every song comes, you know, with a big takeaway as a listener, but every song also held a very special in fact still holds, you know, very special place in your life. Let's begin with one of the best songs. I mean the list goes on jab unforgettable tracks hum dekhte to it just goes on and on, but Tu Hi Re, what really went into creating that song? Because आज जो जनता वहाँ पे आने वाली है वो ये गाना और बहुत सारे जो डिमांड्स होने वाले हैं हम उन्हीं गानों के बारे में आपसे बात करेंगे. तो आप बताइए what exactly went into creating तू ही रे, the magic that it has still had.
It was a very special song. I mean when Rahman played it to me and sang it to me for the first time to teach the tune to me, I felt I had heard the song.
Okay.
It was very familiar.
Gee.
And I felt attracted to it. And we did the first was the Tamil version.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Uire. And he taught me the song and within about 45 minutes the song was over.
45 minutes is what it took?
Because it was, I really took to it and you know like and it was a great 45 minutes.
Gee, that's it. 45 minutes is what it took, you know, to create Tu Hi Re. And जनता जो वहाँ पे आ रही है वो तो एक और है रोजा की जो songs है रोजा जाने मन. So yeah.
रोजा जाने मन.
I think we all fall in love all over again, you know, when we listen to your tracks. Roja Jaane Man. How did it come to you? What was your first reaction?
Yeah, it was there was the movie Roja was being made and I was Rahman had come to Bombay before this movie and we did a jingle together. That's the first time I met Rahman.
Okay.
So and we got off very well, you know, like very musical. The first time I heard his track, it was very different for those days, you know, very musical. So I said, yeah. And then he told me, he started talking to me about my ghazals.
Yes, of course.
Especially one album called Reflections had come It had become very popular. And he said he loved it and he has heard. So I was quite surprised, no, because this a musician down south listening to ghazals.
Exactly.
So it was a pleasant surprise, I would say. And then as we were winding up, he said, "I've got this song. It's for Mani Ratnam's new film. So he was talking about Bharatam ko.
Acha, okay, right.
So I went there and I met Mani sir for the first time, and Vairamuthu, the lyricist. And then I sang this song, Tamira Tamira. And then when we started dubbing the Hindi version, Rahman told me, I want you to sing Roja Janima. Because in the Tamil, SPB had sung that song.
Ji.
Kadal Roja Be.
Ji.
So I sang this Roja. And then it became
Then it just
popular.
became. Like, when did it, I mean, once the movie was released, the songs were released, when did it first come to you that, okay, this is a massive hit? वो कब पता चला था आपको? कि ये हो गया अब ये?
A lot of people started talking about it. And it was such a humongous hit. They thought a new singer had come.
Yes.
I said, boss, I've been singing for 10 years.
Yes.
But it takes one song or two songs, a couple of songs to bell the cat, in this thing. Because before that, Lamhe was a big hit in the 80s. Lamhe, ye lamhe, kabhi main kahun, kabhi tum kaho.
I know.
Likha hai in hawaon pe.
Yes, yad.
And then my first song, Ajeeb Sa Neha Mujh Par Guzar Gaya Yaro, which was 77.
Yes, I know.
It got nomination for a national award.
Yes,
So
twice you won.
In spite of that, when it kind of came to these songs, then the world had rediscovered Harihar.
तो जब लम्हे हुआ, लम्हे के सॉन्ग्स आए, जो म्यूजिक इतना इंडेलिबल इम्पैक्ट उसका रहा, आपकी मीटिंग हुई थी कुछ, मतलब I mean it's always with the music composer and just the team, but was there ever a meeting with Sridevi ji and Anil Kapoor ji? जब रिलीज हो गई मूवी?
Anil ji, I had such a beautiful meeting with Anil ji.
अच्छा.
I had gone to meet Javed Saab. कुछ काम से गए थे तो, and there was this young boy there, young lad, and Javed Saab told me, this is Anil, this is Hari, and he said, excuse me, and went. So we started chatting, and he was shooting Wo Saat Din.
Okay, all right.
His
first film. Yes.
I met him then. And
he's also a singer, no? He's the one who's playing Harmonium in the film.
Yeah, and even today we share a real good bond.
Okay.
And yeah.
जी, फिर क्या हुआ था उस मीटिंग में सब?
तो बस कॉफी पिए, बातचीत करते रहे, and he understood that I have come for regarding music, and then I wished him the best.
Right.
For his
and
career.
Shri ji के साथ, Shri Devi ji के
and then later on I sang 2 songs for him.
Yes, of course.
And what the beauty with Lamhe was, I sang with Lata ji for the first time.
First time, right.
Kabhi main kahun kahi tum. Kabhi main kahun.
You've often said in your interviews that आशा जी के साथ और लता जी के साथ आपका बहुत ही एक डीप बॉन्ड है, मतलब आप उनके घर गए, कितनी बार जाते हैं, the bond has
मतलब
only...
मैं आशा जी मतलब she was like a mother to me, and उनके घर में जाना, गाना गाना, and I mean 83 I started singing with her and Panchamda in her shows.
True.
I used to sing Aja Aja मैं हूँ, Aja Aja, that song I used to sing. Then I used to sing some Kishore Kumar songs, so I'm listening. So anyway, and with Lata ji I used to sing Manada songs. Ye raat bhigi bhigi, those kind of songs I used to sing. So 83 I meet Asha ji, I start singing with her, then her daughter listens to me singing ghazals. I used to sing ghazals then. From 80 I've been releasing my albums basically, because it's as a parallel thing going to the film music basically. And so she must have told Didi ki he sings ghazals. So she said, "Arey,
गा
I
के
got no
सुनाओ."
mala,
Okay.
sing for me." So I sang 2-3
जी.
times, and she liked it very much. Then suddenly one day she says, "You compose for me." I said, "What?" Ghazal, compose ghazals for me. And what confidence she had, and what she saw in me, like us. And that was Abshari Ghazal.
जी. जी.
That is a real huge break. And you know what happened? At that level, when such an artist has a confidence in you, so आपका खुद का confidence
बढ़ जाता है,
it
बहुत
goes up.
ज़्यादा,
You know, like that was one thing. I said, "Okay, Hari, you can do this. You have something in you." So that the journey became strong.
Yes, so I wanted to come to that. Was that one of the crucial reasons, for your affinity towards ghazals? I mean, you were already doing ghazals, and then you came into commercial
No,
and
ghazal was a
Bollywood.
passion.
Yes.
Passion was a very bad,
जी.
very big bug with me. I used to sing. I used to learn khayal music from Ustad Ghulam Usman Khan Sahab, Rampur Seshwan Gharana, and then he used to teach me ghazals also. So the initiation started there. And cut to my college days and school days, I used to sing ghazals which were in Bollywood without knowing it is a ghazal.
Okay. Without knowing it was
हाँ
a
मुझे
ghazal. अच्छा,
वहाँ
नहीं
पता नहीं
था.
अब कोई सागर दिल को बहलाता नहीं बेखुदी में भी करार आता नहीं अभी तो मुझे क्या मालूम है रदीफ काफिया मालूम नहीं है ये रफी साहब का गाना है I used to sing so later on I said wow this is a huge format called ghazals and this is the conversational element is very important in this music. So that education started, and then in '75 I heard Mehdi Hasan, and I fall flat. I said, "Whoa, what is this?" You know, so it was like an initiation to getting into it deeper. Like so, it all came together.
Right.
From '75 it was.
That's how the journey started.
'96.
जी.
Colonial Cousin got 2 international awards.
Oh.
MTV in Singapore.
Yes.
And V Channel, Channel V, we got it in LA, Los Angeles.
Right.
And we had the Viewer's Choice Award, you know, and it was an amazing year for us.
Right. I mean, this was huge, Colonial Cousins. It was shot in such a different way. Both of you together, dressed immaculately, very ethnic, but still so modern.
Yes.
तो वो concept था कैसे वो शुरू हुआ?
ये concept ये है कि देखिएगा कि we are proud of India. We are proud of our music.
Right.
And we are fusing it with English music. But we are what we are.
Yes.
This is our roots. So it was that Sherwani. And
right.
Sherwani really stands for the royalty and something very Indian about it.
Yes.
The concept.
Yes.
You know?
And there's
so
a lot of style, which we, still see in you. The stylish glasses, the stylish hairdo.
Right.
And of course, the stylish wardrobe. You're really into style, aren't you?
Yeah.
कितना?
Just
किससे प्रभावित हैं आप?
self-made.
Self-made.
Yeah,
Okay.
self. I mean, I remember when early 70s, I was in college, and the hippie culture was on.
Had started, yeah.
So we used to have torn jeans, and then used to have a pouch here with. I never used to smoke weed, but I used to have money there instead of the other one.
And then, we have to come to Baahon Ke Darmiyan. Oh my God, it still gives me goosebumps. As I'm speaking to you, I'm getting goosebumps. So
it's a beautiful, very delicate kind of a song. Very, it's very tender. The whole song, the way they composed it, basically, I must say the way it's written and composition. They do the work. And then we kind of give it the touch.
Right. Yeah. So did Salman ever sort of, thank you for giving him such a big hit?
He was always very happy about it. Yeah. And I've sung 2 beautiful songs for Salman.
Yes.
This is one is this and Jhonka Hawa Ka.
Yes, Jhonka Hawa Ka.
Which is again a beautiful song, and
right.
Yeah.
Which genre has been very, very sort of, tough. I mean, like, it. I mean, I wouldn't even use the word tough,
Tough,
but
yeah.
it was like, maybe challenging or
The thing is that
yeah.
um,
As a beginner, is what I want to
uh,
say.
when I went to the south
Yes.
and I got a huge hit um, with Rahman and all that, and within a year I was singing 5 songs a day in Tamil, Telugu.
And different languages.
Yeah, so that was that period of 10 years, like the first 2 years was I had to have all my wits about with
I
me,
know,
like,
right.
I had to deliver the words,
Exactly.
then the pronunciation, then the compositions, because the compositions, the scatting, I mean, the phrasing were all different.
Right.
The way they used to do in South. So that was challenging for me. But I could manage it, yeah.
And रहमान सर के साथ आपका जो bond रहा है,
Again, I would say that I was very lucky to start singing with Rahman because
which is
he's
true.
very
Yeah.
friendly.
Yeah.
He's a producer.
Huh.
He'll give you time, then I sing the song, and I don't get it right. He says, "Don't worry, we'll take a break," and he's a very, very friendly guy. And then once he says, "Okay, Hari, you go for it. You do something. What do you want?"
Right.
So my perspective also comes in. So I was really very lucky to start my the 90s with him.
Right.
basically.
That's why, I was in fact also going through your social media account, and there are a few photos that we've culled out. I want to understand, what exactly where did you do that. There's the first one.
That's
Yes.
that's
Yeah.
Karan,
Yes.
my little one.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. Actor,
Right.
and he's done 2 films. Yeah,
You've also done films.
yeah.
Couple
I'm just like a. But
I know.
he's
Yeah.
actually prepared himself. He's gone
Okay.
to Lee Strasberg,
Yes.
LA, studied and things.
Yes.
So he looks at it's his profession, And so I was just standing. He says, "Dad," and he does that. It was a very
Are you
casual
a
kind of.
strict dad? आप बहुत strict है, बहुत rules and
नहीं,
regulations
नहीं।
लगाते हैं, बहुत easy going है आप?
Easy है, easy
अच्छा,
है.
बहुत easy
Yeah,
है.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so you're like a friend.
Yeah, and I've never had to discipline them or the kids are been nice. Like,
Wow. And what a beautiful photograph with Asha ji. And look at your expression.
Yeah, something.
I mean, this is so cute. I mean, I
Yeah.
just want to understand ये क्या है? किसने जो crack किया था?
नहीं ये वो
ये स्टूडियो पे है. कौन सा गाना है? स्टूडियो पे है?
ना मुझे लगता है कि इसमें एक
हाँ जी.
शेर है.
अच्छा.
She wanted me to make simple kind of ghazals.
जी.
And me being me, I did some very complicated stuff and said, "Didi, this." So she said, तो उसमें एक शेर था कि इससे पहले जिंदगी आसान थी or something like that. वो एक शेर है.
जी.
तो she was saying ये गाने से पहले बहुत आसान थी मेरी जिंदगी.
Sure, that's what you say. And of course, CM Vijay, you've also put out a very thoughtful message.
Yeah,
Congratulated.
I've sung. There's a
Yeah.
video I saw some days
Yes.
back. I've sung 30 songs for him, right from his first song.
Yes.
So through his career, and all the 30, I think 25 तो उसमें super hit
गए.
Yeah.
And you're happy that he's now the CM.
Yeah, it's nice, very nice.
I mean, he's got an incredible journey. I mean, like every movie that he did, was only cementing his position as a CM.
Yeah. It just our bondage kind of grew, and my voice suits him also.
Which is
very
also
much,
true.
yeah.
Which is also true. Right. And then, with
Raja sir, yes. This was just in May. I had gone to rehearse for his show.
Yes.
And in fact, I'm meeting her after a long time.
Achha.
And we had such a beautiful moment sitting down, and all the other singers were there, and the orchestra was in front of us, which you can't see them. And then we went on rehearsing about 7 to 8 songs. Yeah.
But I mean, like, with all your friends, is it always about music, or you also have like, some fun chats which is not music?
Oh yeah, of course.
आप क्या discuss करते हैं?
I'll keep you in splits if you want.
Please, I'm just waiting for that to be out now.
Yeah, of course I can keep you in splits.
Yeah.
And I love to travel, and I love to party. I mean, nice. I mean, if there is a nice track going on, I'll start dancing and all that.
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
And then And nowadays, I'm very busy watching the football match.
Okay, yes.
I'm a
Which are you rooting for? Because Z5 is bringing FIFA to all the viewers. So
All right.
which country are you rooting for? Who's your favorite
Well,
player?
I have a weakness for Messi, and
We
so
all.
Argentina. But
Yes.
I'll tell you something. Argentina looks good. Um, Dutch looks very good. Dutch looks good. France is good, and Brazil. Brazil is a surprise package. I
Yes,
think. Yeah.
yes.
These 4-5 countries are.
So if I have to ask you, like, who according to you are those top 5 contestants for this World Cup? Who would those be?
अभी जो बोला
हाँ जी,
मैंने,
अभी
हाँ,
अभी
ये
यही सारे ना,
हाँ यही
यही
सारे,
सारे.
because I've been watching them
Plays.
play,
Hmm.
so they're good. Yeah,
They're
yeah,
good.
all of them. France, Brazil, Argentina, Dutch. Dutch is amazing.
Yes.
Wow, yeah. And the fifth one, I hope it's Portugal.
That's what a lot of people are saying. Yes. So you also want to meet Messi, like most of us?
Yeah, of course. Why not? Of course, he's a musician. When he
Yes.
plays, वो सारा जगह ही लेता है वो.
When you're like at these concerts, fans performing live for fans, and watching them, sort of just getting into a trance, because that's what your music does. I mean,
Yeah.
we just enter a different world altogether. How does it feel? What is your reaction when you see, so many people? You've done so many concerts.
Oh, well, I just I do that, and then the adrenaline flows
Yeah.
till you go on stage and you don't know how you're going to sing.
Yeah.
Then something happens. Then you're rocking it.
And I've spoken to a lot of female fans of yours who are watching the concert
Right,
tonight.
right.
They are eagerly waiting for that big concert. Yes.
Music is a healer. Listen to good music. Sing if you can, and if you cannot, also hum along. It heals.
हनुमान चालीसा वो हमारी आई थिंक सबकी जिंदगी के it's one of the
जी,
most important
जी,
because
जी.
our day morning begins with
जी,
Hanuman
जी.
Chalisa. Look at the impact, look at the views. It's just gone up. Would you like to talk about how did that come to you and your belief in Lord
That
Hanuman?
was कुमार जी, उन्होंने मुझे ये मौका दिया.
जी.
उन्होंने बोला कि हरि जी आपको ये गाना है, एंड रिकॉर्ड किए हमने जैसे भजन्स करते
हाँ
हैं.
जी.
और फिर वो धीरे 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 उसका जो एक, जब ऐसे जैसे कि जप करते हैं तो उसका एक महिमा होता है ना, उसी तरह से ये हनुमान चालीसा जो है, इट इज 5.5 बिलियन. और अभी बढ़ता जा रहा है वो.
जी.
तो यही कहूंगा कि हनुमान की लीला अपरंपार.
And also down south it's so
Yes,
it's
yes,
so
yes, yes,
huge.
yes.
जी.
Even in South, it has started, and everybody starts their day with that.
Which is
It's
true.
amazing.
Which is true. और काफी टाइम तक लोगों को यही लगा था कि गुलशन कुमार जी ही वो गा रहे हैं. बाद में पता चला था कि it was हरिहरन जी,
जी, जी,
who's
जी,
written.
जी, जी,
So,
जी.
I mean, who's of course sung. But thank you so much, sir. I mean, the
you.
impact only grows by the day with your music,
Thank
and we're just here to now witness the impact
And actually,
that you again leave.
when such songs or
हाँ जी.
it takes ये जो विश्व रूप, it has taken a विश्व रूप ना, it actually humbles me.
जी.
पूछते हैं आपको कैसा लगता है, मैं बोला मैं कुछ नहीं किया. It has gone, no? It has kind of become viral, I would say. Yeah.
It is, and it will remain. I think for generations to come.
Yeah,
I
I know,
think
I know.
People would just.
And I have a granddaughter and grandson. They're twins, and they're just 1.5 years, and they start and listen to Hanuman Chalisa whenever they have a meal, and they're kind of chilled out, and
Yes.
so it goes on in our house also.
Yes, yes. I think it's a ritual in every household. But
Yes.
thank you so much, sir, for giving us your time. And what a wonderful chat this has been.
Thank you.
And we're just looking forward to the concert now.
Thank you, Jay.
Yes,
Thank you.
thank you so much, sir.